So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically share new comments from Facebook ads and Facebook page on Microsoft Teams. Let's say you are having a Facebook page and on that Facebook page, you are also running some Facebook ads. Now you want that whenever a new user posts a new comment on any post or any ad which you have, you want to share that exact same comment with the details with your team members on Microsoft Teams. So let me tell you, you can actually automate this complete process in such a way that whenever a new comment will be received on Facebook page or Facebook ads, automatically the same comment with all of their details will be shared with your team members as a message on your Microsoft Teams channel. Want to know how? For that, you just have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my Facebook page. Now I want that whenever I receive any comment on this Facebook page or on the Facebook ads which I'm running on this Facebook page, I want to share all of those comments from this page and ads with my team members on Microsoft Teams. Now to do this, we have to connect our Facebook page with Microsoft Teams, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an automation and integration platform to do so. So here you can see we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard, and to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link in the description box below. After coming to dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect. And for that, we will just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. So let's say I would like to name my workflow as Facebook comments to Microsoft Teams. And then select the folder of your Pabbly Connect account in which you want to create the workflow and click on create. And now you can see a workflow is open over here. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with the trigger window. Now the idea here is, first we are going to connect our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, so that whenever we are going to receive any comment on our Facebook page or on the ads which we are running on this Facebook page, automatically the details of that new comment will be received inside Pabbly Connect and this automation workflow will trigger, it will start. After that, using this Pabbly Connect automation, we are going to send the details of that same comment, like the name of the person who posted the comment, what is the actual comment message, and also some other details with the post link as a message on our team on Microsoft Teams. So let's see how it is done. Starting from a trigger window in Choose App, search for Facebook Pages. Just select it. After selecting Facebook Pages in Trigger Event from this drop-down, select New Comment as the trigger event. And after selecting the trigger event, just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Facebook Pages account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Facebook Pages button. Now because I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account. Just click on continue, and as you click on continue, here it is asking us to select the pages of my Facebook account which I want to connect. So here you can see a list of all the pages which I have in my Facebook account. Right now while setting up this automation, I want to connect all of the pages, so that's why I'm selecting all of them. And then just click on next. Then after that it is asking us for the permission, so select all the permissions and then click on done. As we click on done, here you can see our Facebook Pages account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. So we have successfully connected our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect over here. And now all the Facebook pages which we have in our Facebook account, in our Facebook profile, you can see a list of all of those Facebook pages over here in this drop down. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the pages. Now here we have to select a Facebook page from which we want to get new comments. So let's say I have this Facebook page named as Green Pro Landscaping. I want that all the comments which I'm receiving on any post of this Facebook page or the comments which I'm receiving on the Facebook ads which I'm running on this Facebook page, I want to get all of those comments inside Pabbly Connect. I want to share them on Microsoft Teams. So from this drop down, we are going to select that particular page, Green Pro Landscaping. And after selecting the Facebook page, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, it has now changed to Waiting for Webhook Response. This means Pabbly Connect is waiting to get some response, some details of a new comment on this particular Facebook page of our Facebook account. So let's do it. From some other Facebook page, from some other Facebook account, I'm going to post a comment on this Facebook page. Okay, so I have opened my Facebook page from some other Facebook account. The name of this person is Devin Parker. Now, after this, what we are going to do, we are going to post a comment. For example, we have this Facebook post, and I'm going to make a comment as, for example, great video. So this is the comment which I'm going to post over here. Let's post it. And just now, Devin Parker has posted a comment on one of the posts of my Facebook page. Now, because we have connected this Facebook page with Pabbly Connect, we will see in our Pabbly Connect workflow in this trigger step, within few seconds, we are going to get a response. And we have received it. And in this response, you will see the details of the same comment which we have just now received. So on my Facebook page, we will just refresh it and we will see that this is my Facebook page and we have received a comment over here. So here it is. And in our Pabbly Connect workflow, you can see we have received a comment from the same user, Devin Parker. We will scroll down. You can see the date and time in UTC format, that at what date and time this comment was received. Then after that, here you can see the permanent link of the post. We have the link of the Facebook post, that on which particular post the comment is received. Then after that, we will scroll down, and here in REST1 message, you can see we have received a message. We have received the actual comment which we have done. Great video. We will scroll down further. We can see the timestamp of the new comment being posted, new comment being created. And then here you can see two other details. First one is REST1 item, which is comment, and second one is REST1 verb, which is add. Now you must be thinking both of these details, why both of these details are so important. So we will read the important note mentioned over here, which says to get the data only related to this trigger, use the next action as a filter step and configure the following fields to filter. Filter based on verb equals to add and item equals to comment. So here this important note says that in the next step, we have to set up a filter condition. So using this trigger, we are going to get the response. We are going to get the details for multiple events happening on our Facebook account. Let's say if someone likes the post, if someone deletes the comment, or if someone updates the existing comment, we are going to get all of those details using this trigger. But on our Microsoft Teams channel, what we want to do, we only want to share the new comments which we are receiving on our Facebook profile with our team members in Microsoft Teams. So to ensure that we only share the new comments, we don't share the updated comments, removed comments, or we don't share the details related to some other events. Like for example, if some user shares our Facebook post, then in that case, we don't want to share details. We only want to share the details related to this new comment trigger. For that, we have to set up a filter condition. And in that filter condition, this response of verb should be equals to add and response of item should be equals to comment. So let's see how you can set up the filter. For that, we will just scroll down and come to this action step. And here in Choose App, select Filter by Pabbly. After selecting Filter by Pabbly in Action Event from the dropdown, select Filter Values as the action event and click on Connect. After clicking on Connect, the first thing it asks us is to select the label. And here in this dropdown, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from Facebook page of a new comment. So out of all of these responses, we are going to select this response of REST1 verb. We have to select it in select label. The filter type will be equals to and the value will be add. So as it is mentioned in this important note that the value of verb should be equals to add and item should be equals to comment. So we have added the first filter condition that the value of verb is equals to add. Only in that case, the automation will be continued. Then after that, to add another filter condition, just click on this add and condition button. And then here in select label from this drop down, this time we are going to select the label as REST1 item. Just select it. The filter type will be equals to once again and the value will be comment this time. So in this way, we are setting up this filter condition in such a way that whenever a new comment is added, only in that case, this automation workflow will be continued further. And we are going to send a message on our Microsoft Teams channels to our team members. If a new like is added or if a new comment is updated or removed, for all such events, we are not going to send the notifications or the messages on our Microsoft Teams. We are just going to send the message of a new comment being added. Then after that, here you can see once again we'll go back to the important note and it says, it's worth noting that webhooks are generated for comments on Facebook ad post too. To avoid potential looping when responding to a comment in the next action, it's important to filter the webhook based on REST1 form ID. to ensure it is not equals to owner's account. And here you can see this learn more button. If you click on the learn more button, here you can see you will be taken to a page on our forum. And at this page, you can see a step-by-step guide for this filter setup. Now here what you have to do, you have to basically add another filter condition over here. So in this response, you can see we have received the first response as res1 from ID, that from which Facebook user we have received this comment. Now, after receiving the comments, you will be definitely replying to these comments as well. But this particular trigger is also going to capture the responses of the replies which you are posting. And I'm pretty sure that you don't want to share your replies with your team members as message on Microsoft Teams. So to avoid it, to avoid capturing of the replies which you are posting on your Facebook page, what we have to do, we have to set up another filter condition on this res1 form ID. And this time the filter condition is does not equals to, and it will be not equals to our Facebook account ID from ID. Now you must be thinking how you will get the ID of your Facebook page. So here you can see we have a response named as res1 post ID. In the beginning of it, before this underscore, you can see these number. This is your Facebook ID. This is your Facebook page account ID. Just copy this account ID from here and come to this filter step. Then click on this plus button to add another AND condition. This time from the drop down, select res1 from ID and the filter type will be does not equals to. And then just paste the same ID which we have copied earlier. In this way, we have created this complete filter condition where we have told that whenever a new comment is added, only in that case the automation should be continued further. And the comment should not be posted by our own Facebook account. That's why we have done does not equals to. So if the from ID is not equals to our account ID, then we are going to share the message. We are going to share the comment on our Microsoft Teams account with our team members. But if we reply to an existing comment of the user and this trigger capture the response for the same, in that case, we don't want to share our replies with our team members on Microsoft Teams. After setting up this filter, just click on Save and Send Test Request. And after clicking on Save and Send Test Request, you can see it is showing us that the condition is true. That all the conditions, all the filter conditions which we have created over here, all of these filter conditions are fulfilled. Now after this, just scroll down and click on this Add Action Step button over here. So we will move to the final step. And in the final step, what we want to do, after fulfilling this filter condition, we want to share the comment with our team members on our Microsoft Teams channel. So for that, here in Choose App, we are going to search for Teams, select Microsoft Teams over here. And then in Action Event from the drop down, select the action event as Send Message in a Channel. Then just click on Connect and select Add New Connection. Now here, we have to connect our Microsoft Teams account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this Connect with Microsoft Teams button. After that, here, because I have already logged into my Microsoft Teams account, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account over here as well. Then just scroll down, select this consent option and click on Accept. And as we click on Accept, we will see our Microsoft Teams account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. And after making this connection, the first thing it asks us is the team. So here in this drop-down, you can see a list of all the teams which you have created in your Microsoft Teams account. So in my account, you can see on the left side, I have all of these teams which I have created. So out of all of this, to which particular team you want to update or you want to share the details of the new comment received on Facebook page. So I have this team named as social media and I want to share the Facebook comment updates with this particular team. So from the drop down, select the team with whom you want to share this new comment details. Then after selecting the team, here it is asking us for the channel. So for that same team, you can see I have two different channels. First one is general and second one is Facebook comments. So I want to share the new comment as a message on this Facebook comments channel. So here in the drop down, you can see both of the channels which we have in this team. And we are going to select the channel in which we want to send this message. After selecting the channel, it is asking us for the message, that what is the actual message we want to send. So I want my message to be, hello team. We have received a new comment on our Facebook page. And after that, I want to enter the details of the comment which we have received. Let's say I want the details like, for example, name of the person who has posted the comment. Then after that, I want to share the actual comment. And then I want the link of the post on which particular post I have received the comment. So this is the message I want to send on my Microsoft Teams channel to update my team members with the new comment. In this post, I'm going to mention the name of the person who has posted the comment, the actual comment message, and the link of the post, the URL of the post, that on which particular post we have received the comment. Now you'll notice we have received all of these details from our Facebook pages in the trigger step. So here in trigger responses, we have the name of the person, we have the post URL, and also we have this message. Now, because we want to send all of these details on Microsoft Teams, one by one, we are going to map all of these details in the message field of Microsoft Teams. And the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and here in the drop down, you can see the responses from previous two steps. So from Facebook pages step, we are going to just click here, and from this drop down, we are going to select the response of the name of the person, and it will be mapped. In this way, whatever user is going to post the comment on our Facebook page post, the details, the name of the same person will be received inside Pabbly Connect, and using Pabbly Connect, we are going to send the same name in this message to Microsoft Teams. Then after that, use the same process of mapping, and in front of comment, we are going to actually map the response of comment message, and in front of post URL, we are going to map the post permanent URL. And after creating the message, after mapping all the details, just click on Save and Send Test Request. Now when we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the message which we have created over here, this message with all the details of a new comment which we have received on our Facebook page, is sent on this particular channel to this team on Microsoft Teams. So let's check it. We will go to our Microsoft Teams account, and yes, here you can see just now on the same channel Facebook comments which we have selected over here, a message is shared. Hello team, we have received a new comment on our Facebook page. Name Devin Parker, the same name of the person who has posted the comment. Then you can see the same comment which we have posted, and we have the link, the URL of the same post on which we have posted the comment. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation workflow is successfully created. Now, after setting up this automation, let's test this automation workflow once. Once again, I'll go to the another person's Facebook account, Devin Parker's Facebook account, and on my Facebook page, on some other post, I'm going to make a comment. So I have this post over here. Let me make a comment as, for example, we are testing this automation. And then let's send it. So just now I have received a new comment on a post on my Facebook page from Devin Parker. Now as we receive this comment, instantly within few seconds we will see in our Microsoft Teams channel we are going to get a message. And yes, here you can see just now we have received a message. Hello team, we have received a new comment on our Facebook page. We have received the comment from Devin Parker, and we have this exact same comment which we have just now made few seconds ago. We are testing this automation. Also, you can see we have the link of the post on which post we have received the comment. We will just open this link in a new tab, and you will see this is the exact same post on which we made the comment. This means the automation workflow which we have created using Pabbly Connect, this automation is working perfectly fine. So not just these applications, you can connect plenty of other applications with Pabbly Connect. And one more important thing, you will find the clone link of this exact same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this automation workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can email us at support@pabbly.com or post it on our forum over here. Or you can write us in the comment box below too. If you want to check out the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. And if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Pabbly. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.